Hi guys, welcome to another interesting video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Faith. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, Sabi, karibu sana. I appreciate you for always coming and watching my videos. In today's video, we're going to be talking about medical insurance. I started a series for insurance business, so today we are going to talk about the medical insurance. So what is a medical insurance? A medical insurance is an insurance that is given to a person or a group of people sharing together the benefits, like for example a family, and it caters for in a case where somebody gets sick and goes to an hospital and get treated. So it caters for the treatment. It also caters for the ambulance. Disclaimer is that medical insurance is a very sensitive type of insurance because you are dealing with lives. So when somebody is wants to get into this business or you want to sell insurance, medical insurance, you have to really train well. So don't only rely on this video alone. I urge you to rely on different videos or check on my upcoming videos and learn more before you start this business, or else you can visit the insurance companies and you'll get to be trained. Yeah, because even when you are trained on the first day or the second day, you are not even perfect, so you learn as you go. So what is covered in medical insurance? Immediately you pick the cover, you are covered for accident. You are covered for accident, and after 2 or 3 weeks, you are covered for hospital bills. So there are other things that wait, like if you have a chronic illness or if you get a chronic illness, then you are liable to waiting period. So let's get to it. Another disclaimer is that I'm not a professional. As I always say, I talk or I speak what I know. So in an event that you disagree with what I said, just ensure that you do more research and you get also to educate me. So then you explain to them the packages that you have depending with the company that you're working for, or if you are working for an agency or a broker, they sell for all the companies. So you explain different packages and you give them time and you tell them to select the best for them, what works for them, not what you think works for them. Give them time to select what works for them. So after that, now you that becomes a client. So what do you need from the client? You need to fill a form for the client, or you fill online a form. You can fill physically or you fill online a form to capture the details for the client, and then also ensure that they sign. Then they give you their PIN, they give you their ID, and their birth certificate if they don't have an ID or if they are covering their children. So after that, my kid is playing. After that, you really need to get the payment, like they have to pay so that you can close the sale. Yeah. So as I have said that when you get the client, you explain to them. During the explanation, if they get to select a certain package, then you do for them a quotation explaining or giving them details of what you are covering and the amount they are going to pay and the amount they are covered for. Because the insurance companies cover all the way from 100K to 10 million. So how do you place cover? You place cover after you have quoted for the client and given them a quote. Then you place them on a cover in the company of their choice, and then you send their payment and in certificate, everything that they have given you to the insurance company, and then you get a card in return and give it to the client. Now the client has an insurance. Who is covered in the insurance? A client from 18 years of age up to 65 can get a cover. A child from birth can get a cover. There are other covers for people above 65 years. They can get a cover. So what is covered under insurance? Several diseases are covered, including pre-existing conditions. Pre-existing conditions are the conditions or the illnesses that someone had before they took the cover, and then the any other chronic illness, and then cancer too, transplant, and also maternity is covered, but it's a standalone. Maternity, dental, optical, these are all standalone, meaning that you pay an extra amount for you to get the cover. Yeah. Also, COVID-19 is covered, and doctor's fee, diagnosis, medication, and bed charges. So they are paid, insurance pays whatever or anything that is not paid by NHIF. Remember, even if you have a private insurance, you need to have an NHIF, because anything covered by NHIF, if you don't have NHIF, you're going to pay cash. Like if NHIF pays for bed charges and you have an insurance, it is not going to pay for those charges that are paid by NHIF. Uh, there's something that I have not talked about, which is waiting period. You find that things like maternity and chronic illnesses have a waiting period, and somebody would ask why they have to be having a waiting period. That is what I want to explain. They have to be having a waiting period so that a client will not just wake up one day and come and go to the hospital and they are diagnosed with a certain disease. Then they just go and pick the cover for them to be covered for the certain disease. And also, somebody will not just get pregnant and after that then they decide now they need the cover. For maternity, it is 1 year, meaning that you need to be in cover for the past 1 year for you to be covered for maternity. Other illnesses go up to 2 years, so you need to be in cover for you to be treated for these specific illnesses. Yeah, so it is introduced so that one will not take advantage of the insurance they have, yeah, or they will not take advantage of the insurance. Remember, this is the risk that the insurance is taking for you. So I think I've explained most of the things that needs to be explained. Forgive my other partner down here playing. So thank you so much for watching up to here. I really appreciate you for watching and keeping in touch. Thank you and God bless you.